just because you're strong enough to handle pain doesn't mean you deserve it. Just because you're strong enough to handle pain doesn't mean you deserve it. It's the strongest ones where we gotta carry all the burden, everybody else, make sure everything is straight. But nobody really thinks about that strong person and how they need somebody. And the fact that they're holding everything together, to me, that's real strength. When everybody would understand why you quit and why you gave up, and you did it. But those people need somebody too. So just because you're strong enough to handle the pain doesn't mean you deserve it either.